10a subtract a is 9a. Negative 4y subtract y, negative 5y. Negative 2z subtract 5z is negative 7z. Negative 5f subtract 5f is negative 10f. Negative 5e add 10e is positive 5e. Positive 4c subtract 5c is negative 1c. Negative 7 subtract 6 is negative 13. 8p subtract 8p is no p's. Positive 3v subtract 7v is negative 4v. Positive 1 subtract 10 is negative 9. 10 multiplied by 4g is 40g. 10 multiplied by positive 6 is positive 60. 3 multiplied by 4j is 12j. 3 multiplied by positive 10 is positive 30. 2 multiplied by 6b is 12b. 2 multiplied by positive 3 is positive 6. Positive 6 multiplied by 3b is positive 18b. Positive 6 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 18. 12b add 18b is 30b. Positive 6 subtract 18 is negative 12. 9 multiplied by 8k is 72k. 9 multiplied by negative 6 is negative 54. Negative 2 multiplied by k is negative 2k. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 7 is positive 14. 72k subtract 2k is 70k. Negative 54 add 14 is negative 40. 28 and 12 have a common factor of 4. 4 multiplied by 7s gives the 28s, and 4 multiplied by positive 3 gives the positive 12. 48 and 8 have a common factor of 8. 8 multiplied by 6n is 48n, and 8 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 8. 5 and 50 have a common factor of 5. Both terms have an h. 5h multiplied by h makes 5h squared. 5h multiplied by negative 10m is negative 50hm. 7 and 49 have a common factor of 7. Both terms have an r. 7r multiplied by r is 7r squared. 7r multiplied by positive 7u gives positive 49RU. Opposite of add 4 is subtract 4. Opposite of multiply by 8 is to divide by 8. So t equals 5. Opposite of add 3 is subtract 3. Opposite of multiply by 3 is to divide by 3. So x equals 6. Nine multiplied by q is 9q. 9 multiplied by positive 10 is positive 90. And that still equals 126. Opposite of add 90 is subtract 90. So 9q equals 36. Opposite of multiply by 9 is divide by 9. So q equals 4. 6 multiplied by W is 6W. 6 multiplied by positive 8 is positive 48. And that still equals 66. Opposite of add 48 is subtract 48. So 6W equals 18. Opposite of multiply by 6 is divide by 6. So W equals 3. Move all the b's to the left, so the opposite of subtract 5b is to add 5b. 5b add 5b is 10b. Still have negative 7. Still have positive 83. Opposite of subtract 7 is to add 7. So 10b equals 90. Opposite of multiply by 10 is divide by 10. So b equals 9. I'm going to move all these p's, so opposite of subtract 8p is to add 8p. Positive 8p subtract 3p is 5p. Then we've still got a negative 4 and we've still got a positive 1. Opposite of subtract 4 is to add 4. So 5p equals 5. Opposite of multiply by 5 is divide by 5. So p equals 1. First is v squared. Outers, positive 7v. Inners, positive 3v. Last, positive 21. So simplifying v squared, positive 7v add 3v is positive 10v, and I've still got positive 21 on the end. First is c squared, outers negative 10c, inners negative 8c, last positive 8t. Simplifying c squared, negative 10c subtract 8c is negative 18c plus 8t on the end. We want to make 35, which is 1 times 35 or 5 times 7. Now 5 and 7 also add up to 12. So they're going to go in the bracket. So f plus 5, f plus 7. What makes 20 multiplies to 20? That's 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. Of those, 4 add 5 makes 9. So those are our numbers in brackets. So k add 4, k add 5. Opposite of divide by 4 is to multiply by 4. So I get g subtract 16 equals negative 8. Opposite of subtract 16 is add 16. So g equals 8. Opposite of divide by 2 is multiply by 2. So s plus 8 equals 18. Opposite of add 8 is subtract 8. So s equals 10.